Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy again, manhustle, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you're gonna be earning Bitcoin for free. So if you're someone that have been hearing about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and you don't have money to invest, in today's video I'm gonna be showing how you're gonna be earning Bitcoin for free. So before that, my name is Emmanuel. I'm an internet marketer. What I basically do in the channel is that I make videos on how to make money online. What I do is that I try things online. If I find out something working or something working for me, I show you guys. So by encouraging me in that, all you need to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. So that anytime I drop a video, you will be notified that I've dropped a video. So 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 before you start making money with before you start earning Bitcoin, you need to have a wallet. So I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how you can do everything. So stick with me at the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification. So as you can see right here, Coinbase. So this Coinbase is our wallet where we are going to be putting our earnings. So right here, the link will be in the description, so you can go there, click it and sign up. So once you are here, all you need to do is just to enter your email address right here. If I enter my email address right here, I click on this get started. If I click on this get started, it will actually load up. So it will actually bring you right here, put your first name, last name, and after that you click on create an account. So this is how Coinbase is inside. So when you are here, you need to do just click right here. Click right here and click on this receive crypto from another wallet. If you click on it, it will load up. So right, all you need to do, you just click on this and start on right here. So come right here and click on this skip for now. So come down right here. So as you can see, this is our Bitcoin wallet. All you need to do BTC address. All you need to do is to copy this BTC address right here. So come over to Forces Play right here. As you can see right here, micro wallet and earning platform. Right here, receive instant cryptocurrency payment from thousands of websites and withdraw it to your personal wallet for a very low fee. So right here, this Forces Play is where we're gonna put our earnings and then withdraw it to our personal wallet, which is Coinbase. So right, all you need to do is just come right here and click on this sign up right here. So right here, put your username, your email address, repeat your email address, put your password, repeat your password. After that, click on I accept and click on I'm a human and click on this sign up right here. So after that, you can go there. If you open up, you can go there, copy your wallet address. So right now, we are going to be going to the site that will be breaking us. I'm gonna be showing you two websites that you can earn crypto for free. So the first site here to earn crypto is this site that is called Zcash. As you can see right here, you can earn Bitcoin by completing offers of a short link and faucet. So as you can see, instant withdrawal, no minimum payout. As you can see right here, 50% for referrals. Get 50% from your referrals. So if you share your referral link, you're gonna be getting 50% from whatever your friend make earn. So right here, you can see a referral short link, ASP contest, and many more. So to get started, all you need to do is just click on this register. If you click on this register, it's loading up right here. It will bring you right here. You put your username, put your email, put password right here, and click I'm not a robot. After that, you then click on sign up right. So another website to earn Bitcoin for free right here is this site called Cointibly. Cointibly, as you can see right here, earn free Bitcoin. So in this site you can earn Bitcoin by completing survey, taking offers. Right, as you can see right here, earn crypto by playing phone games online. Get to work watching videos, shopping online. signing up for exciting services. So right here, to get started, all you need to do is just to click on this, put your email address here, and click on this start earning now. You fill out the information and start earning free Bitcoin. So I will actually make a review on this contemplate to show you how you can make money with this site. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all you need to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification so that anytime I drop a video, YouTube actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.